Today I am reviewing Evounic ARGB gaming PC. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're looking for a gaming desktop that combines power, style, and reliability, the Evounic ARGB gaming PC desktop computer is an excellent choice. Designed specifically for gamers and content creators alike, this PC offers a perfect balance between performance and aesthetics, ensuring that every gaming session or streaming project is seamless, immersive, and visually stunning. At the core of the system is the Intel i7 6th generation processor, running at a base speed of 3.2 GHz. While it may not be the newest generation, the i7 still packs a punch, offering 6 cores and 12 threads that handle multitasking, gaming, and demanding applications with ease. You can run multiple programs, stream your gameplay, or edit videos without experiencing lag or slowdown. Coupled with 32 GB of DDR4 RAM, the Evounic ARGB gaming PC ensures that memory-intensive tasks run smoothly, giving you the freedom to open several applications simultaneously and enjoy a fluid, responsive experience. Graphics are where this desktop truly shines. The dedicated AMD Radeon RX560 graphics card delivers crisp visuals, vibrant colors, and smooth performance across a wide variety of games. Whether you're playing fast-paced esports titles or visually demanding AAA games, the RX560 ensures minimal screen tearing, no lag, and an enjoyable, immersive experience. The 512GB SSD also plays a huge role in boosting overall performance. With lightning-fast boot times, rapid game load speeds, and quick access to applications, you can spend less time waiting and more time gaming. One of the most striking features of this gaming PC is its ARGB cooling system. Equipped with 6 customizable ARGB fans, the Evounic gaming desktop keeps all internal components running at optimal temperatures even during marathon gaming sessions. These fans don't just prevent overheating, they also create an amazing visual display with customizable lighting effects. You can personalize your setup with a wide range of colors and effects, transforming your desk into a gaming arena that matches your style. Connectivity and versatility are also major strengths. With Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.4, you'll experience fast, stable connections to your network and peripherals, whether you're gaming online, streaming content, or connecting wireless accessories. The system comes pre-installed with Windows 11, providing a modern, user-friendly interface and support for the latest software and games. Everything is ready to go straight out of the box, making setup simple even for beginners. Another benefit of the Evounic ARGB gaming PC is its design. The case is sleek, modern, and designed with airflow in mind, ensuring your components stay cool while looking great. The combination of performance, memory, storage, and cooling makes this desktop perfect not only for gaming but also for streaming, content creation, and general computing tasks. Whether you're a student, a professional, or a full-time gamer, this system offers the flexibility and reliability you need. In conclusion, the Evounic ARGB gaming PC desktop computer is a complete package for gamers and creators. With its powerful Intel i7 processor, Radeon RX560 graphics, 32GB DDR4 RAM, and 512GB SSD, it delivers smooth and fast performance for both gaming and productivity. The advanced ARGB cooling system keeps your PC running efficiently while adding a stylish touch to your setup. With pre-installed Windows 11, Wi-Fi 6, and Bluetooth 5.4, this PC is ready to meet all your computing needs. If you're looking for a gaming desktop that's reliable, fast, and visually impressive, the Evounic ARGB gaming PC is a fantastic choice that can handle everything you throw at it, making your gaming and streaming experience as immersive and enjoyable as possible.